How to clean your lungs in just 3 days. The Tobacco Consultation Service of the University of Michigan Health System says that just by quitting smoking and avoiding exposure to heavy air pollution, your lungs will naturally be cleaner, and your lung capacity will have already increased significantly within 3 days. However, there are things you can do to speed up the process and ensure that your lungs are clean and fully functioning sooner. Here are 3 tips for how to clean your lungs in just 3 days. 1. Clean your home. Your home could be neat and tidy, but it's the dust that you should watch out for. Dust can easily get in your lungs when you breathe, so it's important that you dust your home regularly. Wipe all surfaces and vacuum rugs and carpets. If you have curtains, wash them before hanging them up again. Also, check your air conditioner's filters and make sure they're not thick with dust. If you can afford it, get an air purifier to improve the air quality inside your home. If you need to choose a specific area for the purifier, prioritize your bedroom so you can be exposed to good clean air while you're asleep. 2. Get rid of chemicals. Chemicals, as well as artificial scents found in most commercial cleaning agents and air fresheners, may do more harm than good. Although they might give the perception of cleanliness, these chemicals may irritate the lungs and reduce its functionality. To improve your lung health, eliminate harmful chemicals from your home and stick with natural solutions instead. For multi-purpose cleaning, you can rely on a solution of vinegar and water. For air freshening, you can stick with essential oils. There's no reason to use synthetic solvents at home. 3. Try breathing exercises. Doing breathing exercises is something the Lung Institute recommends for increasing lung capacity. There are some exercises that can be done to cleanse the lungs, but one that the COPD Foundation recommends is called belly breathing. To do this, you need to lie down either on your bed or on a mat. This works best if you keep one hand resting on your belly. As you breathe in through your nose, you should feel your stomach expand. Then purse your lips to breathe out through your mouth and feel your belly deflating. Although this might not seem like much, it has been proven to be effective in strengthening the lungs, especially if done at least twice a day. Whether you smoke cigarettes, have quit smoking, or are simply overexposed to air pollution, keeping your lungs clean should be a top priority. The benefits of healthy lungs aren't limited to the ease of breathing. Sure, clean lungs will make it easy for you to breathe. That consequently leads to a host of health benefits, like better circulation and blood quality. By following these tips for how to clean your lungs in just 3 days, you can enjoy fully functioning lungs and, consequently, improved overall health. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.